Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Six Flags Over Georgia's one and only Looney Tunes Talent Show. To start off this talent show, here's our first contestant performing for a song for the summer, Frozen Heart, featuring Woody Woodpecker and Thomas the Tank Engine.
The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation.
I hope there won't be any disasters at the talent show.
I have to agree with you. At least we know where the golden anvil is.
Actually, we must be getting really close.
This is going to be a good plan. When they get the golden anvil, we should put it in a secret weapon.